Unknown government send some Nigerian military to Jūdgémênt. They say Pete Obi lawyers sleeping during the court ruling in Abuja. They say Asari Dokubo with the men are currently in Abuja singing and jubilating for Jagaban. Obi Smartin. Hello, my wonderful people. You are welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. And don't forget to give us a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as they help. I beg you, don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to receive the update. Okay, let's go and look into the Jūdgémênt news where we get for hand today. Not be smart, you know. They say International Airport, Murtala Mohammed Airport, Lagos on fire. Not be smart. They say there's a fire outbreak in Murtala Mohammed Airport, Lagos. So we are going to play the video for you to see, and we'll come back and analyze and continue. Fire. What is happening today in Lagos as the airport is on fire, but as you can see, it's only one fire service truck we are seeing there. When this kind of a thing happen in outside countries like in our blood, you see so many tankers coming for a rescue, but in a country we are today, nothing is working and things are going wrong every day by day. No be smart, you know. A short clip video that was on internet this morning showing how the Nigerian military is being brutalized and they shoot them like a fowl. But the video was so horror, so we'll have to cover it, but we'll have to still play it here as well for you guys to watch. So let's watch the video and see. Welcome back. As I've watched that video, and we don't have to display it like this so that when we show the video, it's going to cause a heavy violation to our platform. So, and for you that is watching, you may not feel comfortable watching the video as well. So we have to cover the video so that the video would not cause any violation. So actually this is happening in Southeast, but we will bring you update where this thing is actually happening in Southeast, whether in Owerri or in Enugu or in Anambra. We're going to bring you updates. So we are still watching closing it to see where this things actually happen, but this didn't happen today. Okay guys, let's go and look into what is happening in Ambazonia. In Ambazonia, remember the freedom fighters over there fighting for their own republic as well in Ambazonia. They say no be small thing they happen for there. You see how these people are using bombs to take out the French Cameroonians armored tanks out on the way. Just we're going to play you the video for you to watch, then we'll come back and continue. Remember that Ambazonia and Biafras are fighting for just cause, for their own independence, for totally liberation of their people. So we're going to play the video.
Okay, bon, today Tuesday, the 5th of September 2023, where Major General Massacre, the commander of Team Retinant for our LGA inside the BLM country, the mothers come, watch and see, sleep, not be die. Like that. Okay. All man for day, it don't finish. La Republic, una ceasefire. No way for una. When we don't declare, goes down. Many man obey the order. Now our land be this. Now our land be this. Watch and see. Minimum focus, minimum stay tuned. You know, move for that place. AVC. La Republic on a ceasefire. A team retinant for a law LGA inside the BLM country. We dey outside today, the 5th of September 2023. The day for that place. Na news.
Nigeria one of these Major General Massacre a Pekin live.
Would they bush all the generals? Would they out? And that the day for road confusion. Na pawan that gun see day. We go shoot.
Welcome back as I've watched that video and see how this military guys from Ambazonia are giving it to Cameroonian military Bozai. This one is what we call woto in our own language. You see the way they take it out? This is what the PM Simon Ekpa is about to do. Nigeria government is about to do. Nigeria military, and in coming days you should be seeing something like this in the Biafra land as well, as we have analyze and investigate and see what is about to happen. Okay, my people, no be smart, you know. They say Kasala don burst and Yawa don gas. They say police is brutalizing some student protesting today. Let's go and read that the news in detail. Police operative arrest Nigerian student 9 Pro and during Jūdgémênt protest against fee. Actually the student fee is going high and high, and these guys said no, this is too much, and they start protesting, but along the line they are also shooting to them. Nigeria police in a video seeing them shooting at those students. So we are going to show you how these lawless police people are harassing and humiliating citizens. So let's watch the video and we'll come back and continue. Do you see how the Nigeria police, how deadly they are, and how they are shooting sporadically to the protesters? No be smart, you know. They say Asari Dokubomen, those to Abuja singing and jubilating for their master. No be sporting. We are going to play you a video of a protest going on in Abuja today. The people, the Nigeria youth who are saying they are ready to die for Nigeria. So we are going to play the video for you to watch the demonstration in Abuja today. So stay tuned. Let's watch the video and come back and continue.
Will you die for Nigeria? Keke drivers, yesterday they match all their keke, they match all their machine, they bought clothes when this spot they sell, destroy everything with fire. How will they go back? At the end of the day, they will give the law. Now they will say they're criminals, because what they're doing, they're taking the opportunity away from them. How can we continue in this way? They will come and destroy where you are living. How can we continue in this way? You want the country where you want the country where
You are welcome back. As I've watched that video, will he die for Nigeria? Let's ask this question. If you are in this platform and you are ready to die for Nigeria, or you are right, I am ready. If you are not ready, say never. I will never die for Nigeria. I will die for my country, Biafra as well. My people, no be smart, you know. You don't see them as it dey happen. They say the lawyers will go to represent Peter Obi and Labour Party. Say they go there, go they sleep. Oh, move go read and come outside as they take talk am. No be smart in the apple. Some lawyers representing the political parties before the presidential election tribunal on Wednesday was seeing dozing of while the court was delivering its judgment. The moment the legal practitioners slept off while captured during the live broadcast of the proceeding on court in Abuja. No be small thing o. They say those lawyers will go represent parties like especially people wey dey for this front na Peter Obi's lawyers. They say they sleep for inside court as court dey go on. My people, no be small thing. Na so we see am today. Now we say make we carry am come. Stay tuned. We go dey bring you update of wetin dey happen. May you no go anywhere. Update dey nyaf today. No forget to share this video and also follow this page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Quickly, we'll drop the link below the video on Facebook so that you will quickly go subscribe. Thank you.